Yes. Hon'Ble. प्रभाकर को पठेई दियो लिस्ट करियो हाँ मेमो दे दियो तो से निजे आसो ना डिक्टेशन है स्पेशल नोटिस राणा मैटर it will come in the by way of special notice. Yes, call.
Supplementary delay for orders. Item 1.
Where is that? File the comprehensive affidavit to that effect. Once you have received the case diary. Oh, 307 cases are also there. Yes, there are 2 307 cases. We do not know. You file the affidavit, it will be verified. The Land Council for the state has produced the case diary and submits that it reveals that there are 6 criminal antecedents against the petitioner. Mr. Raut, Land Council for the petitioner, seeks some time to obtain instruction in respect of such antecedent and file a comprehensive affidavit relating to the status of such cases. Put of this matter a week after courtroom before the assigned law. A number गुड़ाक देखी दियंतु टिपी नियंतु हला हाँ we come गोटे सप्ताह परे आसीबो affidavit commencing 15 December 2020.
Item 2.
Please, Your Lordship. Based on the section 450, 3762 and 3762 DIPC.
Mr. Saran, case diary is not available, so the State Council requests for adjournment. Mr. Om Prakash Saran, Land Council, appears through virtual mode from Yankana, High Court of Land Council for the state seeks some time to produce the case diary, so also to obtain instruction regarding the criminal antecedent. Is this matter? Say we commencing 15th of CD of criminal antecedent.
Item 3.
What is your good name? Mr. Prayas Mahanti, Land Council for the petition. You file a memo. Files a memo not to praise this application. Accordingly, the memo is taken on record and the bail application is disposed of as not placed.
Item 4.
Let's pray one thing.
And it appears that there are series of cases
Yes, Lordship.
against this man at different places. Mr. Pradhan, from page number 20. Page number 20 or last but one paragraph. File. Last but one paragraph. The patient accused is involved in series of cases at Bhanjanagar, Gajapati, Mohana, Ganjam, Noyagad, and Kandhama. You obtain all the instruction about the criminal activity. Land Council for the state seeks some time to obtain the case diary and also the criminal antecedents against the petitioner, as has been reflected in the rejection letter of this matter. Consequences
Let's pray one thing.
before the assigned benches.
Yes, item number 15 is also same.
15.
Right. Same petitioner, another.
15 also same.
Item 5.
May I please the Lordship. Lordship, offence under section 21B of the NDPS Act, the present petitioner languishing in jail custody since 18/5/2025, quantity of brown sugar is 800 80 gram, Lordship. The charge has already been framed since 13/10/2025.
PLFL number 5432/25 and PLFL number 8264/25.
8264, Lordship, direction was liberty was given to the petitioner move the bail application after framing of charge. Charge has already been framed, Lordship, on 13/10/2025. 5432/25 rejected of 30/25. The Land Council for the state submits and that he is not having the case diary and also points out that the bail application of the petitioner earlier has been rejected twice May I please the Lordship.
in BLAPL number 5432 of 2025 by the order dated 30/5/2025 and BLAPL number 8266
Lordship, both the orders are annexed 4 and 5, Lordship.
and order dated 10/10/25. Please this matter. It will cover the assigned bench before the appropriate court.
Item 6.
My lord, Pope is there, appropriate bench, bench, the approval of the honorable chief judge. Accordingly, not this matter. Notice.
Item 7.
My lord, petitioner is in custody since 7/9/2023 and it's a
Rejection of the claim.
predicate offense.
Where is the rejection order?
Yes, sir.
Charge sheet has also been filed, Your Lordship, in the meanwhile, but trial has not been started.
Let as per instruction, Senior Counsel Vivekananda Nag is appearing, filing a memo of appearance.
Hmm? Where is he?
My lord, he is now on VC.
He's not appearing. Ask him to appear.
Nine. Connect.
Technical issue and connected.
It's a different case. Charge sheet has been submitted under section 3/70 of PMLR, which is punishable under section 4 of the Swan. And it is stated that the accused committed the crime acquired use movable and immovable property. And during the search of Swanso, cash of rupees 75 lakhs, gold ornaments of 8 kg Swanso, silver articles. Apart from that, contraband ganja, which was 34 kg and 10 kg opium. That's how you got that it's a. Huh? Why did you make this suggestion to me, sir?
My lord is the director of information matter, my lord.
Where is the council?
My lord, actually, my counsel is trying to join through VC, but my lord, due to technical issue, it's unable to join.
Mr. Vivekanand Naik, current council has filed the appearance memo for the director of enforcement, which is taken on record. You ask him to obtain instruction in the matter.
Yes, my lord, copy not submit, my lord.
Get a copy of the their application.
If copy we are not
My lord, I'm serving copy, another copy.
Current counsel for the petitioner. Serve the copy of the. Have you served it with all the annexures?
Next, sir.
no, my without annexure, my lord.
Taken it.
Petition is there.
Petition ଆପଣ କାଇଁ annexure ଦଉଥିଲେ ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ କୋର୍ଟର annexure କଣ ପାଇଁ
Once I have submitted already, but he has.
Why are you giving that type of petition by?
I'll
Return
serve
it,
my,
return it.
my lord.
The land council for the petition.
I'll serve by
Will
tomorrow.
give the bail petition copy with all the annexures to the land council. Will obtain instruction in the matter and collect the information relating to the criminal antecedents. Put up this matter week after. Yes, next. No, that's
Item 8.
May I please the lordship. At offense under 20B2B of NDPS Act, 10 kilos of ganja.
Since when you are in custody?
My lord, since 18/10/2025.
Where is that mentioned? You know?
My lord, para 6, page 3, your lordship.
Quantity of ganja is in kg lesser than commercial quantity bar under section 47 not applicable allowed. Published.
Item 9.
9 months. Custody since 18/10/25, 15 kg of ganja has been seized.
What is your date of custody?
That 18/10/2025.
18/10/25, 15 kg ganja allowed. Actually.
Item 10.
Item post.
Post notice, you know. Both with BLAPL numbers, sir. Yes.
Item 11.
Some 11 my lords corresponding IPC offense 441, 294, 376, 506 and 34 IPC millers.
CD criminal accident.
Item 12.
Item 12 my lords, local man no CA millers. And the contraband heroin is seized is less than the commercial quantity miller. Rejection order phase 20. Last 3-4 lines millers. 220 grams of heroin. No CA millers, local man millers. Rejection order it is reflected phase 20. Last 4 lines from the bottom millers. 21B is the offense and
Where from you got that there is no criminal activity? Where from you got that is
well, this is my instructions. Well, also may reflect in the order.
Grant counsel for the state some time to produce the case diary. Yes, CD and CA. Is actually it's a prosecution report. Prosecution report and criminal antecedent. Yes, next.
Item 13.
Kindly adjourn the
Yes. अच्छा CD अच्छी CD of criminal antecedent. Yes, next.
Item 14.
May I please, the petitioner is in custody since 23/9/2025, my lords. The alleged offense under section 21C 29(1) of the NDPS Act for possession of 273 grams of brown sugar.
It's a commercial quantity.
My lords, if your lordship may see the brown sugar was not seized from me. If your lordship may see page 11 of the FIR.
Case diary and yes. Next.
Item 16.
Lordship, on behalf of Mr. R.K. Das, I pray for an adjournment.
Case diary अच्छी? No, there's no CD criminal antecedent. Yes.
Item 17.
Mother, I pray for adjournment 1 week after this.
This is item number 17. Kumar Chandra Shukla. Offense is 318. Bracket 4.
Mother, I pray for adjournment 1 week after.
Cheating and dishonesty. You want adjournment?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. No, he's seeking for adjournment. You have got the case diary? Item number 17. Achhi case diary? CD is available. And you have also obtained instruction about the criminal antecedent. It is available. And counsel for the state submits that he is having the case diary and also the information relating to the criminal antecedent. The London counsel for the petitioner. Madam, आपन ना कौन?
Anita Rani Panda.
A.R. Panda.
Yes.
6 for an adjournment. Adjourn for them. Yes, next.
Item 18.
Petition in custody since 27/9/2025. Charge under section 61(2), 338, 333, 342, 319.
Case diary is not there. Offense 330 punishment for life. Case diary is not there. Offense under section 338.
Master, offense tribal master.
But punishment is life.
338.
All the offenses tribal master circular. That's it.
This is forgery. Okay, valuable
property,
from the
life.
magistrate.
That's it. Submitted, my lord.
What you have done?
My lord, the Inspector of Charter and Police Station informed my lord, he received the information that some persons are staying in the hotel Jasmine and their activity is suspicious. And accordingly, he raided the hotel During the interception, they confessed that they came to Cuttack to convince the needy people by showing them greed of money and open new bank accounts.
They came to Cuttack for what?
They came to Cuttack to convince the needy people by showing them greed of money and open a new bank account in their name. And after opening the bank account, they took away their passbook and OTP to control their account.
ସାଇବର ଫ୍ରଡ୍ ପାଇଁ
Attempt no case.
ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ
Attempt.
ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କରାଉଛନ୍ତି।
Case diary ano. CDCA. Yes, next.
Item 19.
Present petition.
95.
The present petitioner is implicated in this case, my lord. Charge sheet has submitted.
Your lordship,
One sub item, my lord.
I am
For lordship on 27th of September. On that day, lordship directed to take the case diary on criminal anticipation.
ଆସିନାହିଁ next week video.
CDCA.
Your lordship, I am appearing for Sadananda Mahanandia through virtual module.
ସବୁଗୁଡାକ ଏକାଠି ଶୁଣାଣି ହବ CDK ଆଉ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଆଣ୍ଟିସିଡେଣ୍ଟ PI ପ୍ୟାରେଡ୍ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆସିବ ତାପରେ yes next.
Item 20.
Applies.
May Visuals. Charge sheet submitted 307/26. One injury, my lord. That is unfair, my lord. The petitioner is voluntary surrender, my lord. 22nd, my lord, in custody, October, my lord. In the meantime, case has been committed to the Court of Sessions, my lord.
One injury, grievous nature, 2 number of criminal antecedent.
498 ଗୋଟେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅଛି। 500 mention rejection କରୁଛନ୍ତି। 498 ଗୋଟେ 500
Grievous injury on head.
94506. The other is cases
498.
498. So who is the injured?
Injured himself, the informant.
Sure.
No, my lord, indoor patient as a outdoor patient is treated.
Manas Patra.
My lord.
How you assaulted him?
By Tangia on head.
ମୁଁ ଢେଙ୍କାନାଳ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଚିକିତ୍ସା କରିଲି ପ୍ରାଥମିକ ଚିକିତ୍ସା ପରେ ଅଛି ତାମାନେ ଇଏ ଇନଡୋର ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ହିସାବରେ ରହିଲା ଭଳିଆ
ରହିନି ଆଜ୍ଞା ରିଜେକ୍ସନ ପେପରରେ ମେନସନ କେବେ ଆପଣ 22/10 ରେ ସରେଣ୍ଡର କଲେ
ଭଲଣ୍ଟାରୀ ନା
Voluntarily.
ରିପେଟରୀ ବେଲ୍ ଅର୍ଡର
no after direction of this court after second order
ଆଚ୍ଛା ସେଟା ଆଗରୁ ଆସିଥିଲେ ତାମାନେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
where have you stated that anticipatory bail number?
rejection copy mention I have also my petition
Petition re certificate next.
Paravali Express.
You approach this court in CRLM.
CRLMC para 6 minute
CRLMC ଟା କଣ ପାଇଁ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲେ
question ପାଇଁ
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଏଠି 438 ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି
ଆମେ 438 ଫାଇଲ କରିବୁ no 438
Heard the Land and Counsel for the petition and Counsel for the state. Land Counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner earlier approached this court in CRLMC number 3960 of 2025 for passing the criminal proceeding against him. However, I had order dated 26/9/2025. He said CRLMC was disposed of, and in terms of the order passed in the said case, the petitioner voluntarily surrendered before the land in SDGM Dhenkanal on 22/10/2025. Further submits that the informant is the injured in the case, and it is stated that the petitioner assaulted on the head of the informant, but he has not been treated as an indoor patient, and in the meantime, on completion of investigation, charge sheet has been submitted, and that will be paid application further. The counsel for the state has pointed out that there are 2 criminal antecedents against the petitioner. One is under section 294/506 IPC, and other relates to offense under section 498A and other offences. Considering the submission made by the land council for the respective parties, nature of accusation, he further submits that the injury sustained by the injured was grievous in nature. Considering the submission made by the land council for the respective parties, nature of accusation against the petitioner, conduct of the petitioner in complying with the order of this court in surrendering before the London trial court, and as that investigation is already over and charge sheet has been submitted, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail, subject to condition that he shall not try to indulge in any criminal activities and shall not try to influence the witnesses in any manner and appear before the London trial court on each state to which the case posted. Violation of any terms and conditions or until cancellation of bail allowed.
Recent case committed in
This
city number 257/25 Session Judge Dhankana.
have you mentioned it?
No, my lord. During pendency of the
Even in a memo,
my lord.
the London Council petitioner files a memo wherein it is indicated that the case has been committed to the Court of Orissa and it is now pending the Court of so and so in
City Session.
next.
Item 21.
Item 21, we have please. Allegation under section 318 subclause 4 for cheating. The FIR at page 11 reveals the petitioner and the informant being in the same business. The petitioner convinced the informant to invest ₹6 lakh on a piece of land. That is the disputed amount that in 2023, the petitioner had taken 4 lakh rupees through bank and 2 lakh is alleged to have taken in cash for investment.
So amount is 6 lakhs.
6 lakh, and petitioner has one criminal antecedent of similarity.
Lordship, the petitioner was had one.
When you were in custody?
I am in custody since 12/8/2025 in this case, but in that previous case, sir, I was since 36/2025. I was.
So no, in this case, you are taken on remand.
I was taken on remand
on
12/8/2020.
23.
Bail order is also
24, 25.
12/8/25.
25. Bail order of previous case is also available.
It's all right. He pass on that order. What is your good name?
My name Vijay Kumar Khatwar.
No, you mean counsel's name?
Pratik Nayak.
Acha. Here. Heard Mr. Pratik Nayak, Land Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Land Counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 12/8/2025. Charge sheet has been submitted.
Your Lordship.
Charge sheet has been submitted. What section?
Investigation is
under section.
Under section 420.
420 of the Indian Penal Code.
Date 30/9/2025. 30 September.
Triable by magistrate. And the amount of cheating stated to be ₹6 lakhs. And therefore the bail application may be favorably considered. Land Counsel for the state submitted that the petitioner has got one criminal antecedent of similar nature. Land Counsel for the petitioner has filed the bail order copy, the said case, which is taken on record. Considering the submission made by the Land Counsel for the respective parties, nature of accusation against the petitioner, period of detention in judicial custody, and since the offence is triable by magistrate, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed. Yes, ma'am.
Grateful.
Item 22.
Item 22. Item 22. When custody since 10/2025 within petition is lady 28 years, my lordship. I pray mandatory same and similar matter already order passed. Same fourth manner. 21/11/2025.
Kahara accused case.
Accused.
Ke na
Subhalakshmi Rao.
Subhalakshmi Rao.
22.
Who accused of bail jaichi very?
Sir,
The petitioner is the Subhalakshmi.
Subhalakshmi.
The petitioner has three criminal antecedents of similar nature.
Oh, acha.
Already.
So other case the bail is. In this case, the petitioner has cheated 12 lakhs to provide job. Even if the appointment order was also issued, the informant went to join. There he came to know that the appointment order is fake. ତାକୁ ନେଲେ medical test କରିଛନ୍ତି, interview କରିଛନ୍ତି, ସବୁ କରିଛନ୍ତି. Railway check ଦେବା ପାଇଁ.
Present petitioner is a lady, wife of
Lady having three criminal antecedents of similar nature.
main accused minorship A. Bigneswar Rao and Subhalakshmi custody minor 10/10/2025 minorship. 10/7/2025 minorship.
No, in this case, remanded on 29/7/2025.
Custody 29/7/2025. Are कौन है case रो position कौन बताएं?
But even investigation going on, the petitioner माने बेकारी पिला ताको रेलवे रे चाकरी करबा ପାଇଁ 12 lakhs नेछि. पिला मानू नै सेठी इंटरव्यू फेस करै छथि. अपॉइंटमेंट ऑर्डर मध्ये इश्यू हेछि. जॉइन कलाउ जाना पड़ला जे फेक.
मैंने लेडी मो वाइफ होचंती एतरे से समर्जित राउत एवं ये बिग्नेश्वर बोथ आर मेन एक्यूज मैनर ये समर्जित
कोडा ना झियोटा
झियोटा लेडी माने वाइफ
उनको वाइफ माने कौन बुझ पाओ
प्रेजेंट पिटिशनर वाइफ सुभलक्ष्मी राउत माने वाइफ ऑफ समर्जित राउत एंड ये बिग्नेश्वर बोथ आर एक्यूज मैनर ମୁଁ କେବଳ ମୋ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ସହିତ କାଲକାଟା ଯାଇଥିଲି
पैसा कोडाला
ପାଇଲା
पैसा कोडाला
ପଇସା ଏ ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ରହିଛନ୍ତି ଏ ବିଘ୍ନେଶ୍ୱର ରାଓ ସମରଜିତ ରାଉତ ଅଲରେଡି ଆବସେଣ୍ଟ ଏ ବିଘ୍ନେଶ୍ୱର ରାଓ ଅଲରେଡି କଷ୍ଟଡି
समर्जित राउत को जो न जानला बड़ा कोजिन जो आप स्वामी
ସ୍ୱାମୀ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଛାଡିଗଲି 5 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଛୋଟ ଝିଅଟାକୁ ଧରିକି ରହୁଛି ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ସେ ଛାଡିଲା ପରେ ଏସବୁ ନାଟକ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ପ୍ରେଜେନ୍ସି ହଉଛି ମାଇନର
କେବେ ଘଟଣା କେବେ
ଘଟଣା ହେଲାଣି 2023 ରୁ ମାଇନର ସେ ଅଲରେଡି ମୋ ସ୍ୱାମୀଠୁ ଛାଡିଲେଣି ଏଇ ନେଚର ପାଇଁକା ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କଠୁ ଛାଡିଲେଣି 5 ବର୍ଷ para 6 minorship present petitioners has living with her minor girl going through the extreme minor is 5 ବର୍ଷ ଛାଡିଲା ପରେ ଏସବୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇଛି already other case ରେ bail
counsel for the state considering the submission made by the land council for the petitioner was taken on remand in this case on 29/7/2025 and the offences are triable by magistrate. Now, she is having a full election issue.
6 para 6 minor
is a lady and having a minor girl who is stop. And after hearing the land council for the state submits that the petitioner has got antecedent
3 criminal incident of similar
criminal antecedent and going through the bail order or the petitioner passed in one of such cases which is filed and taken on record. I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 23.
The 307 case and other bailable offences. The petitioner 1 is the father and petitioner 2 is the son.
I am not having the injury report.
Injury simple, even they are not assailant. They are not assailant.
Injury report again na assailant.
इतना किसी मारी ना से वो कुछ मनुष्य है और इन्फॉर्मेंट हस्बैंड तो ताकर पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस में फिशिंग
for making a submission that the injury are simple in nature.
Yes,
he is not having that injury
Case diary injury report I have not.
Case diary nahi injury report na apna par injury report achi
ना वो पर ना तो मैंने assailant नो फॉरवर्डिंग रिपोर्ट में लिखी चोदी annex 2 रे ये लिखी चीज़
time produce the case diary criminal antecedent health condition of the injured. Yes, next.
Item 24.
Malad item 24, 20B2C of NDPS Act, 40 kg contraband ganja.
40 kg.
कौन चाहूँचंदी?
I want to adjournment.
What is your good name?
Mona Lisa Mohan.
M. Mahanti
Yes, ma'am.
and counsel for the petitioner seeks for an adjournment.
PTCA, I
And the CT of CM agreement. Next.
Item 25.
May I please? In the person since in custody 1/8/2025 mallet. Charge sheet already filed mallet. Offense under section 62, 64, 74, 76, 351 2 of a BNS Act mallet. Mallet 64 not made out mallet because the se nisasakta avasthare pushed and pulled her, touching her the chest and tried to keep physical relationship.
और मामू को संपर्क हो बोले कीजिए
ଗାଁରେ ମାମୁଁ କଟସି
ये बेड ରହିଲାଣି
1/8/2025.
Are the land council for the petition land council for this considering the submission made by the land council for the petitioner. If the petitioner is in the result custody since 1/3/25 and in the meantime on completion of investigation charge sheet has been submitted under section 64, 62, 74, 76 and 351 bracket 2 of BNS, and after going through the statement of the victim recorded under section 183 of BNSS and the medical examination report which indicates that the victim did not give her consent for medical examination. I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to the condition that petitioner shall not try to come in contact with the victim, shall not try to tamper with the evidence, shall not indulge in any criminal activity, appear before the line trial court on each date to which the case will be posted. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail. Allowed.
Item 26.
Item 26, 22C of NDPS Act, 1150 kg of contraband ganja.
You want adjournment?
Yes, my lord.
Are you having the
yes
M. Mahanti adjournment CDCA? Yes, next.
Item 27.
27, my lord.
Hmm?
27. Can we have a glance to the annexure 4, my lord?
Commercial quantity.
it's 46 kg. I have not received the case data.
CDCA next.
Yeah, what happened, my lord?
As to case data next.
Item 28.
28 वाला commercial quantity CDG require 160 kg ganja.
B and criminal and food yes, next.
CTC.
Item 29.
D02, I have not received the case data.
CTM, CDCA.
Item 30.
May I please, Your Lordship? Item 30. Your Lordship, this is a case of theft. The prosecution allegation is that when the shopkeeper opened his shop in the morning, he found out
57.38. 457.38.
16/10/2025.
16/10/2025. Offenses are traveled by magistrate. after hearing the land counsel for the state, submitted that the petitioner has got some criminal antecedents of similar nature. We inclined to believe the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall appear before the such and such police station with the case registered on every Sunday in between 10 to 4 for a period of 3 days. Yes. Yes, please.
Item 31.
May please ask.
Also, in this case, my lord, I have filed a IA, my lord, for inferior on the ground of his mother illness, my lord. Last occasion, my lord, on 24th September, my lord, lordship was directed to take instruction.
My lord also directed petitioner to file comprehensive affidavit. The petitioner has this case of 302 and petitioner has 10 criminal antecedents. So for interim bail is concerned, my lord, can I have a glance to page 11. Discharge certificate on 18/7/2025.
Again, she is admitted. I have given those documents.
Oh,
No, the October the documents for him.
No, you answer. Argument made it if you want to. I am not granting you because of this criminal antecedents. Have you filed the comprehensive?
I'll file, my lord, next
land counsel for the petitioner. Seeks some time to file comprehensive affidavit relating to the criminal antecedent. Is this matter urgent problem? IA number so and so. This is an application for interim bail after going the government's taken and hearing the so and so. I'm not in time to grant the interim bail. Dismissed. Next.
Item 32.
Item 32, we have to check.
Yes, Mr. Behra.
Manner. 302 allegation.
Charge sheet in this case, charge sheet submitted under section 3 SC/ST. The petitioner should have filed appeal.
No, it was rejected by which court?
Rejected by
the Sessions Court.
Sessions Court, special court special reject person, but ସେତେବେଳେ ନଥିଲା offense with the
FIR registration ବେଳେ ନଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ subsequent ରେ
it's all right. We can issue notice to the purpose is to issue notice and
last occasion notice ଯାଇଥିଲା copy service ହେଇନି bail ରେ notice ଟା
you
ଯାଇଥିଲା
have got the
case diary
case diary.
But I have not received the
you have that notice has already been
yes issued.
But you have no information whether the notice is sufficient or not.
Yes, my lord, I have noticed.
The Land and Council for the state, but it is dated 24/9/25.
Yes,
When you send that notice?
Letter sent on 25/9/2025.
So why they are not responding? And charge sheet has been submitted.
Out of 32 witnesses, already 8 witnesses have already been examined. I have annexed the deposition copy.
But they have not supported the prosecution.
All are turned out.
But who is there left out? Who has stated against you? Is there any eyewitness to the?
No eyewitness, Your Lordship. That is allegation is that the petitioner number 1 and the father of the informant, the deceased, were gone together. But subsequently, his father has not returned home.
Material against the petitioner is the case is based on circumstantial evidence.
Circumstantial, that is
last scene, injury on the accused, cause of death homicidal, leading to discovery.
But it seems that he is in custody since 16/8/23.
16/8/23.
Whether your earlier bail application was
No, Your Lordship. No.
First time.
This is the first time. On the first day, Your Lordship asked the same question.
But it appears one criminal appeal is there in that name. What is that criminal appeal? CRLA.
What is CRLA? same accused.
Same
Same
accused,
accused.
जोटा कि बोधे जस्टिस बीसी राउतराय पाखे बोधे पड़ता. What happened to that? Effect रे ता number थिला अलगा, but CRL number is 231 of 25. ये देखिलो कौन है? 231 of 2025 मार्क CRL. Same person. Uh, 231 2025.
Pending the status. Both the petitioners have filed.
Dion, on करो. Dispose of ये 22/7, हाँ, सेटा बन. Personal present appeal has been filed under section so and so. Maybe of roster bench. तापरे अब order upload की चाहिए नहीं देखिला उधर back करो. It is say order against the bail order था, but that is in the form of criminal appeal and this is in the form of PLFA.
5/9/25 order को challenge करी. This rejection order is 5/9/2025.
एटा लिखा है तो देंगे. Against who order आस्ते ऊपर लिखा है तो back करो. Audit out. Audit. केबे एटा ए order का rejection केबे जी?
This order is 5/9/2025.
एटा ता पूर्व एटा rejection order सेटा pending अछि. एडी disclosing नहीं यार file कर सकें.
And the certificate also not given.
हाँ सी certificate करना. Look on it appears that the petitioner approached this court earlier in CRLA number 231 of 2025 and the website indicates that the said matter is pending. List this matter with the CRLA number 231 of 2025. Yes, next.
May I please your lordship?
Item 33.
33. May I please your lordship, madam? Offense under section 103 and 85 of BNS, my lord.
Yes.
Hello. Allegation, my lord, that previously he was tortured, and this petitioner informed to the nephew of the
You are the husband of the deceased Gemma Maji.
Gemma Maji. एथर होची दीटा मैरिज
How she
करते
died?
my lord.
How your wife died?
से पुश कर देला तो बळे कांथर बाडे हेकी मल्ला. से पुश कला कोन ये होची सेकंड वाइफ. फर्स्ट वाइफ जेतला आसिला ऑब्जेक्शन कला जे
eyewitness is Sukanti.
फर्स्ट वाइफ
Sukanti Maji.
तार 106 पर भी हेची.
कौन ना सुशांति.
Sukanti.
Sukanti Maji.
Yes. She is the wife of the present petitioner.
First wife.
ଗତ 16/3/2025 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ମଦ ପିଇ ଘରକୁ ଫେରିବାରୁ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଏତେ ସମୟ କୁଆଡେ ଯାଇଥିଲ ମଦ କାହିଁକି ପିଇଛ ବୋଲି ପଚାରିବାରୁ ସେ ରାଗି ଯାଇ ମତେ ଲାତ ବିଧାରେ ନିର୍ଧୁମ ମାଡ଼ ମାରିଲେ. ଏହି ସମୟରେ ପ୍ରିୟା ଆସି ସ୍ୱାମୀଙ୍କୁ ଅଟକାଇବାରୁ ତାକୁ ଲାତ ବିଧା ମାଡ଼ ମାରିଲେ. ତେଣୁ ପ୍ରିୟା ରାଗି ଯାଇ ପାଖରେ ଥିବା ଛାଞ୍ଚୁଣୀରେ ସ୍ୱାମୀଙ୍କୁ ବାଡେଇବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ତା ହାତରୁ ଛାଞ୍ଚୁଡି ଛଡାଇ ନେଇ ତାକୁ ନିର୍ଧୁମ ପିଟିଲା ଓ ସେ ଛାଞ୍ଚୁଡି ଭାଙ୍ଗିଗଲା. ଶେଷରେ ପ୍ରିୟାର ବେକକୁ ଧରି କାନ୍ଥରେ ପ୍ରିୟାର ମୁଣ୍ଡକୁ ବାଡେଇ ଦେଲା ଯେ ପ୍ରିୟାର ବେହୋସ ହୋଇଗଲା. ସକାଳ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ତା ହୋସ ନ ଆସିବାରୁ ତାକୁ ଆମ୍ବୁଲାନ୍ସରେ କାଶୀପୁର ମେଡିକାଲ ନେଲୁ. ସେଠାରେ ମୋ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ମୋଟର ସାଇକେଲ ଖସି ପଡିଛି ବୋଲି କହିଲେ ତାକୁ ପୁଣି ରାୟଗଡ଼ାରୁ ପଠେଇ ଦେବାରୁ ତାକୁ ନେଇ ରାୟଗଡ଼ାକୁ ଆସିଲୁ। ରାୟଗଡ଼ାରେ ଡାକ୍ତର ଚେକ୍ କରି ବ୍ରହ୍ମପୁର ନେବା ପାଇଁ କହିଲେ। ବ୍ରହ୍ମପୁରକୁ ନେଇକି ଯାଉଥିବା ସମୟରେ ବାଟରେ ପଦ୍ମପୁର ପାଖରେ ପ୍ରିୟା ଆଲିଆ ଜେମା ମାଝୀ ମରିଗଲା।
ତାର 164 ବି ଅଛି ସୁକାନ୍ତି ମାଝୀରେ।
And
ସୁକାନ୍ତି ମାଝୀ ଯେ 161 ଟା ପଢିଲେ 160 ଅଛି ସୁକାନ୍ତି।
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ପେଟେଣ୍ଟ ମେଡିସିନ ବି କାମ ଦେଲାନି।
ସାର୍ ପ୍ୟାଟର୍ନ ମେଡିସିନ କଣ
ମେଡିସିନ ରେ ସେ କାମ ଦେଇଥିଲା, ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସେ କାମ ଦେଲାନି।
ସେ
ବାଡେଇକି ମାରିଲେ ତାକୁ।
କହିଲେ କାଇଁ ମଦ ଖାଇଲୁ ଯାଇକି, ମାନେ ଯୋଉ ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭାଲ
ଯୋଉ ଥିଲେ
ହୋଲି ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭାଲ ରେ ଯାଇଥିଲେ ଇଏ କରିଥିଲେ, କହିଲେ ଯାଇଥିଲ ଏଠି ଲେଟ୍ ରେ କାଇଁ ଆସିଲ, ମଦ ଖାଇ କାଇଁ ଆସିଛ। ଏତିକି ତାପରେ କଲା ପରେ ପୁସ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ପୁଲ୍ ହେଲେ। ଏଇ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ୱାଇଫ୍ ତାକୁ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ କଲା ପରେ ଛାଞ୍ଚୁଣି ବାଡେଇଛି ମଧ୍ୟ ଅଛି। ରହିଲେଣି ଇଏ 19/3/2025 ରୁ।
ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କୋଉ ଯାଏଁ ଗଲାଣି?
ସାର୍ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ 4ଟା ୱିଟନେସ୍ ଏକ୍ସାମିନ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି।
ଆପଣ ସେ ସାକ୍ଷୀ ହେଇସାରିଲେଣି ନା?
ସାର୍ ସାକ୍ଷୀ 4ଟା ଆଉଛନ୍ତି, ଜାଣିଛି 4ଟା।
ସେ ଯୋଉ ଯିଏ ଜଗମ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଗଲା ମାନେ
ସୁକାନ୍ତି ଟା ହେଇନି,
ସେଇଟା ଏକ୍ସାମିନ ହେଇସାରୁ ତାପରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ Learned Counsel for the state has pointed out that
100 statement ଅଛି।
the first wife of the petitioner, Sukhanti Majhi
and Dhan Singh Majhi
are eyewitnesses to the occurrence, and though the trial has commenced, they are yet to be examined. Stopped. The learned trial courts shall do well to issue summons to the aforesaid two witnesses and examine them. Put up this matter on such and such date. If those two witnesses are examined in the meantime, the land counsel for the petitioner shall produce the certified copy of their deposition, giving copies to the land counsel for the state. Well, the land counsel for the state has produced the case diary. A free copy of the order be sent to the London trial court by the register judicial for compliance. Is this matter January? Yes, ma'am.
Item 34.
Yes. Offense under section 20B2B, madam. And 13 kilo ganja, ma'am. Earlier, your lordship has directed me to file a comprehensive affidavit since I have another case under this section 22B. That is my lord.
Is on bail, but section 37 will apply.
It is
Even if it is less than commercial quantity.
This is the bail order.
Yes.
That is also less than commercial.
No, you are indulging in such activities. You have been released on bail. This order was passed in the case is 25/1/2018. And the bail order was passed, and this case is of the year 25.
For 7 years.
That case is still sub judice. Oh.
Please.
Here it is lesser than commercial one.
Yes.
Yes, Mr.
My humble submission is, since the petitioner has earlier one criminal incident of similar nature,
yes,
of NDPS section 37 will be applicable.
37, how it will be applicable?
No. It is only, my lord, in case of commercial quantity.
Okay.
Right.
No person accused of an offense punishable for offense under section 19 eta 19 में, 24 में, 27 में, and also for the offense involving commercial penalties shall be released on bail unless
37.
so, those are the 4 cases where 37 will be applicable. 19, 24, 27A and commercial quantity. So ganja commercial quantity which is more than 20 kg. So here
less than commercial quantity.
Kete quantity.
13.
And you are in custody since when?
Custody since 4/9/2025.
4/9/2025. Start the Land Council for the petitioner, Land Council for the state. As per the previous order, Land Council for the petitioner has filed an additional affidavit. It shows that in the case instituted against him for similar offense, the petitioner has been enlarged on bail, which is of the year 2018. 2018. He has been directed to be released on bail. The bail order copy has been annexed to the additional affidavit, and the same is taken on the time. There is no dispute that the prosecution case is the seizure of 13 kg of ganja from the possession of the petitioner, and the quantity is lesser than commercial quantity. To the Land Council for the petitioner, state submitted that in such case also bar under 37 of the NDPS Act would be applicable, but the Land Council for the petitioner submits that since it is not commercial quantity of ganja, seizure of commercial quantity of ganja, the bar under section 37 would not be applicable. Section 37 of the NDPS Act reads as follows. In view of such clear provision, since the quantity of ganja is lesser than commercial quantity, therefore the applicability of bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act doesn't arise. Considering the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody since
4/9/2025.
For 4/9/25.
Mile.
And what about the status of
Charge sheet.
Charge sheet has been
Already.
in the meantime, there is no bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act. I'm inclined to it is not on about it. This shall appear before the Land and Trial Court on each date, with the case shall be posted, shall not indulge in any criminal activities, appear before the PS on every Sunday between 10 to 4 for a period of 3 months. Violation of the terms and conditions shall enter cancellation of bail allowed.
Item 35.
My lord, not faced.
Please file memos.
I'm filing memo.
Memo files do not face the objection. They close the audio.
Item 36.
36 violates offense under section 137 of 2, 87, 62 2M, and POCSO 6 violates.
Foxo ଅଛି notice no?
Notice has been sufficient.
Oh, notice ଯାଇଥିଲା କି? So what he wants?
इसका FIR they are in love litigation for last 1 year for now.
No, what he say whether he wants to. No one is appearing.
No one is appearing. Notice has sufficient 9/11 to the
9/11 মানে ହେଇଗଲାଣି ମାସ person ଦେଖ let us see. What about charge sheet submitted? No, it is there. It is there. Final form is there. What is the age of the victim?
10 or 15 plus. Class 10.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର documentary evidence ଥିବ ନା ଆପଣଙ୍କର school register ଥିବ ଆଚ୍ଛା 14 years 10 months and days. Date of birth is 12/10/2010. ଭବାନୀପୁର ପୁଅ ଯାନ ସହିତ ସୁଆଂଶରେ ପରପରି 2 ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ହଲଫଲ ସେ ବିଷୟରେ ଘରେ ମନା କରୁଥିବା ସୁଆଂଶ ଯୋଜନା ମତେ yeah, the older also zero. Let her be examined. And counsel for the state has produced the report to show that notice on the victim has that a key notice on the informant has already been made sufficient. One appears for the informant. It appears that as on the date of occurrence, the age of the victim, a student of class 10, was 14 years, 10 months and days. She has stated in her statement recorded under section 183 of the NSS regarding the appellant physical relationship with her on 2 occasions on the assurance of marriage. In view of such material available on while not inclining to release the petitioner on bail, liberty is granted to the petitioner to renew the fair for bail after the examination of the victim in the trial court. The Land Trial Court shall do to expedite the framing of charge if not already framed, and at the first instance take steps for examination of the victim.
Item 37.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship 109 corresponding to IPC offense 307 of IPC, my lord. The injury report is simple, my lord. The charge sheet has been submitted, my lord, and the petitioner is
report time.
My lord.
Injury report.
Injury report, my lord. Annexure 3, page 16 to 19.
16 to 19. କେତେ ଜଣ injured ଅଛନ୍ତି?
These are 2 injured.
ଦେବେନ୍ଦ୍ର କୁମାର ନାୟକ and ଆଶୁତୋଷ ରଥ. Simple injury.
Simple injury.
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି?
My lord, since 10/6/25. Who accused also released on bail, my lord.
One of the antecedent is there, and they have filed the comprehensive affidavit, but we have not taken the instruction on that yet. That is the airfield.
ଏତେ କେସ୍ ଅଛି?
ସବୁ ମାଷ୍ଟର ଟ୍ରାଲ ସବୁ 20, 21, 22 ସବୁ 20
ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ release on bail, have you annexed the bail order copies? Then they are to obtain instruction.
ଦେଇନାହିଁ କିନ୍ତୁ
ନା acquittal ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ନା bail order. So whether you will produce all those documents or they will take instructions. In support of the stand taken in the comprehensive affidavit, that in some cases you have been acquitted,
Yes,
in
ma'am.
some cases you have been released on bail,
Yes, ma'am.
but it is not backed by any documents. So whether you will produce or the state council will obtain instruction.
That your lordship directed to state
Achha, dekhantu. A comprehensive affidavit has been filed by the on behalf of the petitioner, which shows that so far as the criminal antecedents are concerned, in some cases he has been acquitted and in some cases he has been released on bail. Copy of the comprehensive affidavit has been sought on the Land and Council for the state. Since the Land and Council for the petitioner has not produced any supporting document to the acquittal order or bail order, and let the Land and Council for the state obtain instruction as to whether the averments made in the comprehensive affidavit are correct or not. Hala? Put up this matter on such and such date. Yes, next.
Item 38.
May I please your lordship, this is a case under section 109 BNS, and health status of the injured was called for. And in the health status, she is well good condition and she lived doing her daily work due to right form. She is fine and her injured spot was clear and she is very smart condition. She do the daily work properly. Now the complaint is very well in her family life and could not feeling the illness.
That
Injury report is injury report is simple.
simple injury.
ଆଉ 10
No, ଆମର when this matter was taken up on 17/10, the order was passed that you have to obtain the injury report number 1, number 2 health condition of the injured, number 3 instruction regarding criminal antecedent.
no see.
So injury report upon
Simple
injury. Anything about the criminal antecedent?
No,
No criminal antecedent. And you are in custody since when?
10th September 2025.
Are the Land Council for the petitioner Land Council for the state? The Land Council for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 10/9/2025, and the injured has sustained simple injuries, and there is no criminal antecedent against the petitioner, and therefore the bail application may be favorably considered. Land Council for the state has produced the case diary and doesn't dispute that the injuries sustained by the injured are simple in nature and there is no criminal accusation against the petition. Considering the submission, nature of accusation, nature of injury sustained, period of detention in judicial custody, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail, subject to condition that he shall not try to come in contact with the injured, or tamper with the constitution evidence, appear before the court on each day, trial court, on each day to read the case of the violation of any terms and conditions, voluntary cancellation of bail allowed.
Obliged.
Item 39.
39 minute under section 137(2) and turn to under section 64 and 6 of POCSO Act. 64 BNS and the last division.
Notice has happened.
Sufficient?
No, hey, sufficient.
Oh,
Once
he is already
Yes, I-
order he.
But they are not, I press
So you have not received.
not received.
କେବେ ପଠେଇଲେ ତାକୁ?
14/11/25.
Kondarpur.
Land Council for the state submits that as per the order dated 31/10/2025, notice has already been sent to the informant, but is yet to receive instruction whether the notice is sufficient or not. List this matter will be commencing from 15th of December 2025.
Milord,
There any agent?
there is no
Okay, there is none. That is
183
CD criminal application. I found it out a case.
183 statement.
ठीक है 183 BNS statement आमध्ये आणि medical exemption है ना yes
Item 40.
Milord, item 40, 42, 43, and 44.
40 তারপরে কি
42, 43, and 44, Milord. I have directed to file the comprehensive affidavit.
Yes.
I have collected all the antecedents. Next week, Milord.
The Lion Council for the petitioner seeks for an adjournment. File the comprehensive affidavit. This matter be commencing from 15th of December 2025. Yes, I yes.
Item 41.
May I please, Your Honor?
Anything there like that? Just a minute.
Lordship, the last date, the Honorable Court pleads to physical appearance of the victim.
Not physical appearance. Just to serve the notice on the
Notice sent on 14, but report has
get notice. So no instruction regarding service of notice.
and CD.
CD available. Nice.
No, CD is not available.
CD not available. CD
Witness are examined, Your Lordship. In this case, 7 witnesses are examined.
Victim has been examined.
7 witnesses. Yes, Lordship.
Why you not filing the certified copy of the deposition?
But already filed the deposition in virtual mode, Your Lordship.
What is that deposition? Kebe file kali?
14th 11 2025.
27/11.
Nice. Your Lordship, I filed 27 11.
But has he served copy on you? You said that the victim has already been examined. Okay, so let's see. The you are Mr. Jena?
Your Lordship, associated.
The TK Khosla you are?
Yes, Your Lordship.
TK Khosla, London Council appearing for the petitioner, submits that in the meantime, the trial has commenced in the case and some witnesses have been examined, including the victim.
Yes, sir.
Including the victim, and he has filed the deposition copies of all the witnesses examined so far before the registry on Quebec 27/11/2025. The upon receive for the
No, this is name of
state को copy देई नाहंती कहउचंती
There it is.
We'll find out.
And he has also served the copies to virtual on the state. Let the registry place the that is not the available. Let the registry place the evidence copies of the witnesses filed by the Land Council for the petitioner. Put up this matter in the commencing from 5th.
And also notice has not been received, so victim notice has not been received. In the meantime,
the Land Council for the state shall also obtain instruction regarding the sufficiency of service of notice on the informant oblique victim. Yes.
The custody, Your Lordship, 7th.
No, I am not adjudicating the case today. If this custody, etc., will fail on the other day. We are.
Lordship.
Yes. Next
Obliged.
Item 45.
Please, Lordships. My lord, in this case, this trial has commenced. So out of 8 witnesses, 3 have been examined. I pray Lordship may give me a short adjournment. I'll produce the certified
What
copy.
are the offenses here?
318.4 and 319.2. Charge sheet has been submitted on 318.4, 319.2, 66C and 66D, Your Lordship, of the IT Act.
You have received the case diary, Mr.
My lord, it is.
What you want?
My lord, in this case, out of 8 witnesses, 3 have been examined.
Yes.
I pray Lordship may grant short adjournment. I will produce the
The
certified.
Land and Council for the petitioner submits that total Sakhi as per charge sheet
8.
Out of 8 charge sheeted witnesses, 3 have been already examined, and it may be given some time to produce the certified copy of such deputies and files and witness office of the Land Council for the state. Is this matter? 15 रखिए ना और डेरी
15.
15 yes.
Item 46.
So it is there. In the meantime,
जाएगी नोटिस जाएगी
Agro, your lordship
कौन हला
victim has already been examined in the hostel.
no
Wait,
let the formalities be over.
Yes.
You get it victim examined externally hostility की तुम हरी just like Land Council for the state 6 for an adjournment for 1 week to obtain instruction as to whether the notice on the informant has been made sufficient or not. Place this matter on for week 15 December 2020. Yes.
Item 47.
The 64 2M is there, my lord. That's a 164 statement was called for last occasion.
अपन पहले जोटा आपका आसितला statement a victim that was not legible.
That's why.
And order was passed that case diaries are received by the office of the Land and Advocate General without verifying the documents whether those are legible or not. So it is expected that henceforth it is incumbent, the incumbent who is in charge of receiving the case diary shall verify the case record produced by the police, and if any portion of the same is not legible, immediate steps shall be taken to obtain legible copies of such document so that there would not be any hindrance in the matter, and the matter would be taken up for order. कौन है कि चाहिए नहीं माने victim ର statement है ना
visible जोड़ा
अपन अपन किसी करना हंदी. This order was passed on 31/10/25 and मासे already passed कर गया. Are you having the copy?
My lord, I have got it.
तो उन्हें ना फिर रखें को.
Lordship kindly say I have not the
बहुत से कहते हैं.
44 man.
मिस्टर मुझे फेसबुक रे फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट पठाइतला एवडा को ये कर दीजो ना ये
Item 48.
May I please lordship?
Madam, prisoner presenting there.
Case diary fine I say out.
CDI asking.
Huh?
You are not received the shipment.
What offense count?
25 kg 6 gram ganja.
25 kg 600 grams.
20
5 kg 600
commercial quantity. Further time sought for by the Swanson. Guardian next. Putre. कौन আছে চেঞ্জ করিয়ে ওকিলম নূতন ভাবে প্রণব কুমার দাস আচ্ছা লিখুন business petition has been received है for engagement of Mr. Pranab Kumar Das as the advocate they file করছেন ওকালতনামা huh Mr. Das has already filed ওকালতনামা which is accepted and the name of the earlier engaged counsel shall not be reflected in the cause list and in its place the name of Mr. Pranab Kumar Das and the associate shall be reflected. Eta dita jaga same things.
Both cases.
Both case 48 dita cases. Niyantre.
15.
Item 49.
May I please, your lordship? Last date, my lord director me to file a comprehensive affidavit regarding antecedent. Two antecedent is there, my lord.
Kain comprehensive kain?
File করছি আজ্ঞা।
File করছেন?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Copy ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ତା ଦେହରେ?
Copy ଦେଇଛି ନାହିଁ। ସେଥିରେ ଦିଟା antecedent ତାର ଆଗରୁ ଅଛି।
ନାଇଁ କଣ antecedent ଅଛି କଣ ତାର status we want to know?
ସେଟାରେ ଦିଟା ଏକ ବେଲ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟାକର ତାର ସରିଯାଇଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସାକ୍ଷୀ ଚାଲିଛି।
ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ST case number 73 of 2024. It is arising out of Nokti Deol PS case number 137 of 24.
এই যেটা প্রেজেন্ট কেস
এইটা
সেটাକୁ দিয়েছি তার তଳକୁ ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି
out of which one is acquitted in that is ST case number 57 of 24.
my lord
সেটা হচ্ছে 165 of 23 Nokti Deol
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି ST case number so and so stage of hearing. ସେଥିରେ କଣ ବେଲ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି?
ବେଲ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଚାଲିଛି ଯାହା ଆସିବ ଏଟା ସେ କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟିଂ କାଉନସିଲ କରିକି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଖଲାସ ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି ତାର ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ କାହିଁ? ଆଉ ଯୋଉଟା ବେଲ୍ ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ବେଲ୍ ଅର୍ଡର କାହିଁ? ଦିଟା କେସ୍ ନା ଏଇ କେସ୍ ଟାକୁ ଛାଡିଦେଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ରେ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଖଲାସ ହେଇଗଲାଣି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆରଟାରେ ବେଲ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଚାଲିଛି
ଯିଏ କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟିଂ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ
ହେଲା ଯେ ଆମର ସପୋର୍ଟିଂ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ ହି ହାଜ ଟୁ ascertain.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Have you given a copy?
No, that copy
A copy ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
କପି ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲି ଆସିନି ଏଥିରେ
you
ଆଜ୍ଞା
give another xerox copy and so that if you are unable to produce it then he has to obtain instruction.
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଲେଖି ଦଉଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ the learned counsel for the petition has filed a comprehensive affidavit wherein it is mentioned that so far as the two criminal antecedents are concerned, in one case he has been acquitted and in the other case the trial is going on but he is on bail.
my lord
Since no supporting documents have been annexed to the affidavit, learned counsel for the petitioner seeks some time to produce the certified copy of the judgment of the in which the appellant has been petitioner has been acquitted and in the other case where the petitioner has been granted bail.
my lord
Let a copy of the
এই କେସରେ my lord only suspicion ground এটা ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ ରେ ସେ ଝିଅଟା ଗାଧେଇବାକୁ ଯାଇଥିଲା
let a copy of the comprehensive affidavit be handed over to the learned counsel for the state in the
my lord my
yes
like
Item 50.
This item 50 I propose time us.
CD
not.
nahi
Night.
learned counsel for the state seeks some further time to obtain the case diary as well as to obtain instruction regarding the criminal antecedent. Learned counsel for the petitioner also seeks for an adjournment for the legal. ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ପାର୍ଶ୍ୱ ନା
Special notice for order side number 1.
The matter has been listed by way of special notice. And Mr. Panda made a mention that inadvertently it is shown in order number one that the case is order number one dated 21/11/2025, that the case is posted to be commencing from 36/25. And he request Mr. Panda submits that the same may be corrected and a specific date may be fixed. Plan counsel for this date has no objection. Place this year appeal on 15/12/2025. We commencing from 15/12/2025 before the assigned judge.